So statement 1, a pair of values such as 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 8, x minus y, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, will lead to yes as an answer. However, a case such as say minus 4 minus minus 6, where x is negative but y is a bigger negative number, and because of this negative sign here, this becomes positive. This becomes minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 2. In this case, you get no as an answer. Yes and no both are possible, therefore statement 1 is not sufficient. Coming to statement 2, in cases such as this one same, 10 upon 8 is greater than 1, we get yes as an answer. Let's give them numbers. Case 1, case 2, this is again case 1. We get yes as an answer. 10 upon 8 is greater than 1 and x and y are both positive. However, in cases such as minus 10 upon minus 8 greater than 1, let's call this number 4, case number 4, where both are negative but x is a bigger negative number, we get no as an answer. So here also we get yes as an answer, we get no as an answer. So statement 2 alone is not sufficient. Now when we combine, because x minus y have to be something positive, this case would be gone. Minus 10 minus minus 8, this will be something negative in this case. And therefore this case can be eliminated. And this case, case 2, which applied in statement 1, this will not apply because of this condition. X upon y is greater than 1, therefore the magnitude of x, which is 4 here, has to be greater than the magnitude of y, which is not the case. And for this to be true, y will have to be a bigger negative number. So this case will not apply here, and therefore this one also can be eliminated. Case 4 was eliminated, case 1 was eliminated, sorry, case 2 was eliminated. Now we are left with only case 1 where yes is an answer, and we are left with case 1 again where yes is an answer. So after combining, we are getting yes as a possibility. The exceptions have been eliminated where we were getting no as a possibility. Therefore, on combining, we can say yes. X and y are both positive, and to reach here, we had to use both the statements. Therefore, C is the right choice.